Printing United, we're here at the MacTac booth. I'm with Ross. Ross, the new Gruv slidable material. That's what I'm interested in talking to you about today. Give me what is the material? What's the pitch?
So we're really excited about launching our Gruv slidable. This is a 2 mil cast product that we're manufacturing in our Spartanburg, South Carolina facility. What is unique about this is the release liner that we're utilizing. This is an internal manufactured MacTac product, and we're finding great feedback from customers in regards to the ability to slide it on horizontal surfaces and then tack it down, repositionability, but we're getting a lot of great feedback from customers in the field.
So the specs of the product, what kind of, it's a repositionable adhesive, what kind of finish are we looking at, what kind of widths does it come in, lengths, things like that?
Yeah, so it's a white gloss, it's got a great white point. The adhesive has opacity to it, so no matter what color your vehicle or you're putting it on, it'll work out great. Widths are 54 and 60 inches, and it is solvent, Eco-Solvent, Latex, UVgel, printable.
So a whole broad range. Now, I was looking at your samples. I saw there's also the overlaminate, and you manufacture all this in-house. So this is all seamless. It all plays together real nice.
It does really well, and the overlaminate that we have is the Rayzor cast overlaminate. We have that in both gloss and matte finishes.
So if I'm thinking about the customer here for a second, why would a customer be interested in this? What's the real big benefit in your mind for a customer when they say, I'm looking for a slidable, I do all this wrap work? Why would Gruv slidable be the one you think they should go with?
Because of the ability that we have to make every part of this formulation, of this composite. It's a very economical price point to go in and folks to look at. But also when you see the finish, you see the printability, and the microchannels that we're using in the release liner does not transmit through the face. So it's one of the smoothest printable materials you're going to see in the marketplace.
Wow, so incredibly smooth, incredibly printable, and it just works.
And a great value. So customers should check it out and let us know how we can help you out.
So you heard it from Ross himself. MacTac Gruv slidable, repositionable monster from the sounds of it.